Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Today I have a 6-seater sofa set for you. A 3, 2 and a 1. Teak wood, light walnut polish and a very contemporary look. When I say contemporary, here you can see on the back there is quilting. This design, we call this design as quilting. A different fabric for the seat in folding seats. These are removable seats. And a very beautiful look to the set altogether. Here we have a 3-seater with very nice carving on the top. If you see the top part here, a flowery and a very fine artistic work, all done by hand, as we are the hand carving people. Similarly, a nice design on the lower area. And fine work on the handrest. This one is without table, as the client required without table, this set. Now this set can be changed to other setup like 3-2-1, 3-2-2, or with a divan or a settee, middle table, side tables. That is as per the requirement. The fabric can be altered as per the requirement. The color can be altered as per the requirement. Altogether, the set goes like this. And in a living room where you have the interiors as wooden, this type of setup looks very, very nice. The back quilting gives a very comfortable look, comfortable sitting at the back. It gives a very nice support to your back. All handwork, as I mentioned earlier, and 100% made in India by our local artisans, the quality of Aarsun. We have been sending these stuff to this kind of stuff, the sofas and big furniture items all over India and to different countries also. We have been sending to US, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Netherlands, UK, all these countries we have been exporting, and also in Middle East. We have several options for the fabric, for the colors, for the texture, the drawing, the design, for the number of seats. This is all as per the requirement. Altogether a very nice set. Let's have a look with a 3-seater first. Then the 2-seater here. And the single-seater. I'm sure you will like our art and the quality we are producing. Please drop in a few comments how you like it. Your comments give us the strength, the direction, and also the ideas how to improve our work, how to provide the designs that you like. All this put together. Thank you.